What do piano foot pedals do? Great question. Many pianos have 3 foot pedals. I'm going to refer to them as though you're sitting down to play the piano. So we have a left, center, and right pedal. Starting out on the right, you'll find the damper pedal. This pedal controls the dampers inside the piano. When you press a piano key, an individual damper for that key is raised, allowing the piano strings to vibrate and make sound. If you press down the damper pedal with your foot, all the dampers are lifted, and every note you play will continue to make sound, even when you stop pressing the key. The damper pedal can create a beautiful, resonant sound as it allows the notes to blend together. But if there are too many notes at once, the sound can get muddy. On the left, you'll find the soft pedal, technically called the una corda pedal. Holding this pedal makes the sound of the piano a little softer. You can use the soft pedal when you want your piano a little quieter, like when you're accompanying a singer, or if you're practicing in the morning before anyone else is awake. The middle pedal varies from piano to piano. For many uprights such as this one, the pedal is often an ultra-soft pedal, great for quiet practicing. For many grand pianos, the middle pedal is called the Sastenuto pedal. The Sastenuto pedal holds open any dampers that are currently off the string. When you take your hands off those keys, they will keep sustaining while all the other keys can be played like normal. Does your piano have a pedal that does something else not talked about in this video? Let us know in the comments section. If you want some in-depth practice with pedals, check out our video lesson on the damper pedals in the link below. Happy practicing! Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so that we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.